Hey, good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Phil here. It's so good to see you this morning. Yep, I'm here with Green Gorilla and Reginald, and we just finished up a band practice of the song that we're going to do this morning because we like to practice so that we can do a good job for you, right? It's very important to practice whatever you're going to try to do. It's like studying before a test. You got to study before you take the test. And so, yeah, the song we're doing this morning is called God You Are. God, you are my God. You are my God. I'll follow you. And that's because God is so good to us. And he's like the good shepherd who takes care of his sheep. He takes care of each one of us too. You too, boys and girls. And that's such a comforting thought. So maybe we could think about that and pray about that while we're singing the song. But we had a couple others that wanted to join the band this morning. So we're kind of waiting for them to get here. And here comes one now. Hey, Robin. Hey, I want to play the keyboard. Oh, you want to play the keyboard? Okay, well, can we hear a little something that you can play? Let's hear you play something. Okay, go ahead. Oh, okay, yeah, I get the idea. Okay, so can I go to the keyboard now? Yeah, go ahead, and you can sit down and get ready to play. Who's gonna play the drums for us, though? And I am. I love to play the drums because I rock, and I want to rock and roll. Oh, okay, well, can we hear a little bit of something from you, if that's okay, Batman? Go ahead. Pretty good. Wow, that's a great job, Batman. I love it. Yeah, I love to rock. Okay, so why don't you get over in the drums, okay? And why don't we just do our song, okay? So let me get my trusty guitar. Here we go. All right, and I think you're gonna need your drumsticks, by the way, Batman. So here are your drumsticks, okay? Yeah, all right. So here we go. It's up to you, Batman. You need to start this song, okay? So you ready to start it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. God, you are my God. You are my God. I'll follow you. God, you are my God. You are my God. I'll follow you. Good job, Batman. Way to keep the beat. I'll get quiet and read your word. Read your word every day. I'll open my heart to hear from you. Hear from you every day. I'll worship you in all that I do. All that I do every day. God, you are my God. You are my God. I'll follow you. God, you are my God. You are my God. I'll follow you. I'll get quiet and read your word. Read your word every day. I'll open my heart to hear from you. Hear from you every day. I'll worship you in all that I do. All that I do every day. Drum solo. God, you are my God. You are my God. I'll follow you. God, you are my God. You are my God. I'll follow you. Okay, all right. You can stop now. You can stop now, Batman. Come on, you can stop. You can stop. You can stop. Okay. All right. Don't throw your drumsticks around, okay? This isn't a rock show, okay? This is Sunday school with the kids, okay? Anyway, thank you so much for bearing with us this morning, letting the band play for you, and have a great rest of your day, a great rest of your week. And we'll see you next week, okay? But remember, follow God in everything that you do. Worship him in everything that you do. Amen. All right, we'll see you next week. All right, say bye, you guys. Say bye.